the first day that I will have caught a flight in over 1 year. Mkhuze Game Reserve, which is in KZN, Kwa-Zulu. For those of you that haven't heard of it, don't worry, neither had I. And yeah, I'm quite excited because according to Southern African Bird Finder, it is, and I quote, the Mecca of Southern African birders. Its impressive birdless numbers are over 450 species. Italian South Africa, second only to that of the Kruger National Park. It's a few hours later since I last filmed, and my bag is as packed as it can be for this evening. There's a couple more things that I need to throw in tomorrow morning, but yeah, my camera bag is over there in the washing / spare room. It is a very early start for me tomorrow, waking up at 4 o'clock in order to catch my flight at 6, and I'm looking really forward to it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning en route to the airport. It's 4:30. I haven't woken up this early in a while, and yeah, it's time to hit the road and head to the airport.
If you know the mouth and continue to breathe normally while securing the elastic band around your head. It is the action of pulling the mask towards your face that releases a pin to start the flow of oxygen. Now, gentlemen, in the interest of health, safety and the environment, are strictly prohibited on all our aircraft and routes. The luggage on board this aircraft have been fitted with very sensitive smoke detectors. Lots of computers and with the aircraft and we will require your cooperation. We will be making a precautionary emergency landing on land in approximately 15 minutes. Now please look at your neighbor. You may be able to assist each other later. Put all carry-on bags under the seat in front of you. Place your tray table chair back in the upright position. Fold your armrest down. Fold your footrest away and open your window blind. Cabin checks.
Whoa. My first flight back, and we had to do an emergency landing. Although the landing itself was handled super smoothly and it felt just like any other landing, I've got to say, for a while, when they first announced it, I was calm, I was fine. I thought, oh man, how bad can this be? And then we had to practice the brace position. And then they told us that we might have to use those inflatable emergency things, and everyone had to practice how to, the people sitting on the exit sides had to practice how to use them. And that's when my heart started sinking. Wow, first time I've ever experienced that. The pilots on Sapphire handled it wonderfully. I have no idea what the problem was. I wish that they would disclose the issue. I mean, yeah, I think it would have maybe made things a little bit, maybe it wouldn't have made things better, but it felt like when we were coming into land at Durban airport, it felt like we didn't have any brakes. He was trying to turn and bank in what felt like an effort to slow down. I don't know if that's how plane mechanics work, but yeah, we came in super hot. That was definitely the most scared I've been. I'm not a nervous flyer, but that definitely, yeah, I was nervous for sure. But anyway, I have arrived in Durban. I'm gonna go pick up Blair, and then we're gonna do some shopping for our trip and hit the road. I've hired a little Suzuki Swift. It's very different to our other bush adventure car, the Buff, back home in Cape Town. But yeah, this will do the job for the next 3 or 4 days. So let's hit the road. Oh, my sandwich. Woo! What's up, Durban? Not that I'm gonna be in Durban for long. Oh, it feels to be good in a place that I'm not familiar with. Like, it feels fun driving on roads that I don't know. Yeah, this is good. I like this. New places. And any landing is a good landing, as long as you come out of it unscathed.
Shit, well they've done very nice. They've done that real nice.
Welcome to Mkhuze Game Reserve. First time for myself, and I'm gonna say first time for you as well.
No, that would be a lie. I came here probably like 20 something years ago. I must have been 10 or so.
Yeah, so first time for us both.
No.
No, but I was just saying to Blair, it's such a good feeling being somewhere new. We obviously often go to Kruger and we absolutely love it, but it's cool exploring a new place, and yeah, just looking at the map now, seeing roads that we've never done before. Side note, and I did explain this in our Kruger vlogs, you won't be seeing us wearing a seatbelt whilst we are in the game reserve. That's because the speed limit is 40 k's, and often we are going well below that and starting to film and spot stuff, and it's not mandatory in the reserve. So yeah.
Stop leaving comments about it.
Maybe I'm gonna have to start each vlog with this. But yeah, excited to check in. Camp is only 8 k's away, so we're gonna drive straight to camp, see if we, I don't know, bump into anything along the way, and yeah, settle in for the afternoon and just take it easy.
Hopefully we don't bump into anything too big in this little car.
I know, we're gonna be dwarfed if we come across an elephant. It's gonna be quite scary.
It feels weird doing the bush in a tiny little car. You can barely see over the grass.
It's like a camera, Blair. The best one is the one you have with you. Something like that anyway.
Hey man, I'm stoked to see this place. Number 9.
Alrighty.
Hey man, that's nice.
A little Suzuki Swift.
I need to put some shoes on at some stage. Monkeys, no. Hey man, this looks great.
We have arrived at Mantuma Camp, and this is our spot. It is a 4-bed chalet because this is the only thing that was available, but it looks awesome. Really cool.
Yeah, this is our room.
Cool little outside braai area. We're gonna have to keep these closed because of monkeys. Bathroom. Sure, it's kitted.
This is nice.
I mean, by Kruger standards, this is
What did this?
more luxurious. Alrighty, we are going to cook a quick dinner, and then we're gonna hit. I love it how we both check our watch.
No.
It's so like, it's such a habit. And then yeah, we're gonna grab a very early night and wake up bright and breezy for the next day in Mkhuze, whatever it brings.
Sumo pan.
And sumo pants, some bird hides. Yeah, it's already been a great first day. Thanks for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, write a comment, subscribe, all of the things, and I'll see you in the next one. Once again, a massive thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring yet again another video on my YouTube channel. If you're new around here, let me quickly fill you in as to what Squarespace does. If this is your first time watching and you're not sure what Squarespace is about, they are an all-in-one platform which allows you to very easily put together your own blog, online shop or website. They have award-winning ready-made templates and other great features, including the ability to track your site's analytics, make changes on the go via your mobile phone, and allows you to share your posts across your different social media platforms. So if you are interested in trying it out, head to squarespace.com for a free trial. And after that, if you are keen to get started, head to squarespace.com/Nicole Eddy, and this will give you 10% off of your first purchase off of a website or domain. Thanks for watching the vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one, part 2 installment of our time in Mkhuze Game Reserve.